everyone, welcome back to CJ Explores. This time we're exploring one of the most beautiful towns in Cornwall, and it's St Ives.
We cut the legs off of our pants, threw our shoes into the ocean, sit back and wait through the daylight, sit back and wait through the daylight, slip and slide on subway grades, these shoes are poor man's ice skates, fall through like change in the daylight, fall through like change in the daylight.
Today we have parked up at the top car park in St Ives. It's got 1,000 spaces and it's huge, but it is at the very, very top of the hill, so you have to walk all the way down. Good job, it's a very pretty view because St Ives is renowned for not being able to find a car park in town. So never bother going in there. We tried for half an hour, turned around, went back to the top. We're heading now towards the front harbour and we're going through all the streets here, and they are so cute. So many beautiful little boutique stores, cafes, and everything is cute. Try this out. It looks absolutely gorgeous though.
Okay, so first off is we've come into St Ives. We've come into the harbour area and we found a window seat right here. This place is called The Lounge. It's Tretho Lounge. It's part of a brand that is all across the UK, and they have a massive vegan menu. Look at the size of that.
Have had our brekkie, so we are nice and full, and look at this weather. It's proper Brits at the seaside weather. We're about to go into half term, so it's getting pretty busy, but we're going to go for a little stroll through town and check out some of these really cute little places. I keep saying cute, don't I? Yeah. This place is very pretty and cute. This section here looks just like Padstow. You saw a Padstow vlog? Literally, if I didn't know I was in St Ives, I would think I'd be back in Padstow. It looks so similar, doesn't it?
We are going to take a little walk along the harbour wall now, and it's going to give us a little bit of a vantage point of Porthminster Beach. So hopefully we can see some nice sights from there. Might fly the drone up and we'll be able to see right over to Porthmuir Beach, which is on the other side of the little St Ives headland.
That water looks amazing. It is so blue, so inviting. I think we're going to get in the ocean some point at the end of the day. The tide is extremely out in the St Ives harbour. As you can see, the boats are all just wedged into the sand, but as we went round the corner we saw how amazing the ocean looked. So now, yeah, we're walking around the harbour wall like Corey said. We're going to go right to the very end to get a good view of, we think it's Porthminster Beach. It just looks absolutely gorgeous today. Yeah. So inviting. I don't blame all those people for getting in their swimmers and having a go. Look how beautiful the beach looks today. There's so many dogs having the best time of their lives splashing in the water. So out of St Ives Harbour, you go to Porthminster Beach and it looks like we're in the Men. Look at the clarity of the water and the colour. Leave a comment if you're not from the UK and you didn't believe that beaches in Cornwall, especially England, look like this. It's gorgeous.
So St Ives, if you didn't know, is another one of Cornwall's premier holiday destinations. Most of the buildings you see on the front here are either cafes, restaurants, bars, or holiday accommodation. And that is kind of like a sore point for a lot of people from Cornwall. So much accommodation is just for holiday makers down here, and for a lot of people's second and third homes who live in the bigger cities. But St Ives is really popular for artists. Apparently the light here, the way it reflects off the water, gives it kind of like a special glow, like the Mediterranean. And there's been a lot of notable artists who have taken up residency in the area. So St Ives has got a lot of art galleries to explore, and one in particular, the Tate Modern, we might go and visit today.
Another cute little beach. I didn't know about this one.
Secret beach.
Yeah, and that's probably really sheltered from the wind, so that is a very good spot. They have found themselves a nice spot to spend the day. I really want to get a snorkel kit. It just looks so good, doesn't it? When I go in there with a snorkel kit and just have a swim.
I don't want to have.
Do you? Oh my gosh, maybe. I just realised that we are actually in a kind of opposite direction of Newquay, which is actually the town where I'm from and where we're staying at the moment while we're living in England. So there's a lighthouse over there called W Lighthouse, and then just across from that on the left is the Newquay Headland. What a day for a kayak. Very jealous. Someone's got a nightmare of that car alarm. I swear I only ever see windbreakers on beaches in England.
Yeah.
There's what a typical beach on a sunny day in England looks like. You gotta have the windbreakers though, because if you're gonna get sun, you're probably gonna get wind. Don't think you're gonna be lucky enough to have sun and no wind. I didn't know St Ives had so many beaches. It's really impressing me. So this is Porthgwydden Beach. Super busy, it's obviously very popular. It's got a little takeaway cafe right on the beach, so maybe that's adding to why people love this spot. And there's a car park straight next to it. Very handy.
We have now come up from Porthgwydden to the island, and this is one of the spots you can park in town if you get here early enough. We did try, but we failed miserably. It was
it's past 9 AM.
Yeah, so it was all fully packed in here, but the island is a cool little grassy knoll overlooking both Porthmuir behind us and Porthgwydden Beach. It used to be a fortress. There's a chapel up here which I believe people can get married in, and it's overall just a great viewpoint of St Ives, so we're going to go up and take a look.
What a cute place to get married, and I just read that actually this place is called the island because it actually turned into an island at high tide. That is no longer the case because of sea levels, but when they did have a high tide here, it used to come all the way across and isolate the bit of land to turn into the island.
Charlotte is enjoying the grassy knoll. The grass here is very soft. A lot of English coastal grass seems to be very soft, doesn't it?
I don't know why, we just love it. We love grassy areas. Like it's like really bouncy and like padded. Not like that in Australia. And I can do this and nothing poisonous will bite me. Wow, what a cool place for a chapel. This is very open to the elements though, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that if you're in a storm, you know about it. But it reveals a beautiful scene of Porthmuir Beach. I want to go sit on here and enjoy the view while Corey flies a drone.
So Porthmuir Beach gets a little bit more wavy than the other beaches. It seems that way today anyway. You can see some people trying to catch some waves down there. There is a little bit of a wind as well. So everyone has their windbreakers on the beach. But yeah, it's a little bit more exposed than the other beaches. Some of them are a bit more secluded, a little bit more wind-free and not as wavy. So if you want to go surfing, that one. If you want to go chilling, get on the other beaches.
Pier market. This place actually opened in the 60s.
Does it?
Yeah, there's some historical information over here. We are now obviously going towards the artistic end of St Ives. We're actually heading towards the Tate. So we're going to peek our heads in, have a little look at the Tate and St Ives Society of Artists. Voila! That was an art exhibition inside a crypt.
Wow.
Yeah, very cool. We are going to go now and try and find some more art to have a little gander at. We've been saying Porth Meor. No, Meor, yeah. I don't think that's right. It just feels wrong. I think it's Porth Meor. Not 100% sure. But I'm going to go Porth Meor from now on. So we are now at Porth Meor Beach. Very busy. There's some beautiful cafes next to it though, with amazing views of the beach. We're going to have a little walk up here because the Tate is up here. So we made a mix-up. We thought it was a free exhibition. It's not. You have to pay to get into the Tate. But someone just said to us, if you go up to the cafe, it's completely free and you do get a bit of a view. We're not huge modern art fans, so we're probably not going to go to the exhibitions, but we are going to go see if we can pick a view.
That for a bloody view. What do you reckon, Shazza?
Very nice. You can't see down the exhibition. I think that was a mistake, but we do have this very nice view. So we're going to just have a little break here from all the extra boring.
The streets are quite compact down there, ain't they?
They're so compact. It's like very on top of each other.
It's like a maze.
It is a maze. Somebody was running past me. What did they say? Oh, it's all very confusing. Just trying to run around here, do a jog. I think he was not local, got a little bit lost.
Charlotte's admiring baby seagulls.
We've seen the tiniest baby seagull because we can see all the nests on the roofs. I've never seen a seagull, well, baby seagull. I've seen bigger ones, usually when they end up flying or they accidentally fall. But this one's in the nest and it's like, this fish is so cute.
Yeah, it's a really good view from up here. You can see all the little like back alleys, little conservatories right over to the harbour, Porth Meor Beach, and right over to the Godrevy Lighthouse as well. So it's a pretty good view up here. Recommend it. It's free to do here in St Ives. So yeah, come and check out the cafe, and there's a shop up here as well. And if you're into your art, you can go downstairs and check out the art too.
Yeah, a lot of holiday homes, aren't there?
Yeah,
you see the signs on the doors.
Most of them are holiday homes.
In the Cornwall bakery, a vegan raspberry croissant. Corey has a soft spot for croissants, so whenever he finds vegan ones, we have to do a little taste test. He popped it in the oven for us, so it's very hot.
We were at this morning.
Doesn't it look amazing? We're now come back and the tide is in, and what a difference. And it looks so nice, the water, even though it's in the harbour. We can see people jumping off into the water, just having the time of their lives.
Okay, we are going to leave St Ives now. We are going to pop ourselves over to
Carbis Bay.
Carbis Bay. It's very nearby, and it's supposed to be super nice, so we're going to go and check that one out. Back up the hill to the car park.
got a pasty, but I can't eat it because I can't really breathe. We're just walking back up to the car park. That is a little bit steep.
Yeah, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did now. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, just start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live, and it's do or die, gotta make it count, so lose your...
Well, we are wrapping up our day here overlooking Portsmouth Beach in St Ives. It's been a beautiful day.
Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please do like and comment if you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste